Welcome to our channel. If you are new, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much and welcome back. Hi, you just watched the unboxing. Now we are going to assemble the ring light and test it as well. So here is the tripod. So in order for this to be stable, you need to tighten this. This is the screw at the bottom, and you also have a screw on top so you could make this taller. So we're just going to loosen this up and make it into there. I think that's then we are just going to tighten it so it would stay like that. Okay, so there, it's already stable. There, I think it's going to lessen it a little, and we are going to remove this one on top. Here is the ring light, and it also has a remote, and this is the cord. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on my laptop so we can on the light later. First, it also has a cell phone holder, which you will put here in the middle, though I won't be using my phone because I'm using it for recording. So that's what it looks, and you can adjust it to your liking. I'm just going to take this off. Okay. We also have this one, which I am going to put in the tripod to make sure this is secure. It's my first time doing, so you could adjust also this one, the one with the ball, so you could straighten. Then we are just going to tighten this up. It's my first time doing this, so please bear with me. And then we are going to put on this ring light. For those of you wondering, I bought this from Lazada, and you could check out the link in the description. Okay, just make sure that it's there. It's already stable. And this is the remote. It has the on and then the minus and plus, which would lessen the light and would strengthen it. And also this ring light has 3 light combinations to choose from. First is the white light, the warm light, and the combination. If you guys saw the first unboxing video, it's the Senda microphone for vlogging. I am currently using this right now, so you could also gauge the voice quality with the microphone. Although I'm not using the windshield, but I hope my voice is clear. So what I'm going to do is I am going to plug this in the laptop so we could power up the ring light. There is going to be a light, an indicator, which means it's you can turn it on. Whoa! So this is the yellow light, this is the white light, and the combination. Okay, first is this is the combination, the white and the warm, the white and the warm light. So we can strengthen it. This is in full capacity, the combination. We can lower the power, make it more dim, and this is the lowest for combination. And for the warm, so this is the lowest, then we are going to power it up, the warm light. There you go. And now we are going to try the white light. This is the maximum power of the white light, and this is the dim. I'm very happy with it. It's very easy to use, and I'm excited to vlog more with this ring light. So if you are thinking of buying your very own ring light, I suggest you try this one. For like, I paid like 700 plus the shipping fee. This is well worth the cost. So thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much, and until our next vlog, bye!